So this design is a bold minimalistic poster design. It's going to be simple, but then I'm going to show you how to achieve this with just your smartphone. All right. So the original designer is this guy here, Ajie Sharifudin. All right. Is obviously Arab, okay, or maybe Bangladesh or India guy. I don't know. But then that's it. So let's begin. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Are you excited already? So what I want you to do now is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and make sure you tell me where you're watching from and what time you're watching in your area. All right, so let's start. So this is it. The first thing I want to do is to go to the app will be using PixelLab. I'm going to go here. I'm going to click this button here. Please take note, because sometimes you guys ask me, sir, what's it called? You say, what size did you use for this design? You don't need to be asking me size if you use PixelLab. Just come over here. You see this guy here? Come over here. That is where you come over there. Click it. Once you click that guy, when you click this guy, you now come here and click from image. Then import the image that you want to work on. So this is it. I'm going to import this image right here. Once you do that, just click here. This medium one will fill the size and click OK. It will give you the exact size of that image. So if I come to here, come to image size, you see the size. Are you getting it now? So that's how to know the size of any image using PixelLab. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. If you're excited already, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing we're going to do right now, you see there's a tall here. Tall, stand tall. Stand tall, stand tall, stand tall. So let's start. All right, so I'm sure you want to do now. The first thing you want to do now is to get this stand and tall. Stand and tall. So don't worry, I'll come here because I've gotten the size already. I'll just click here and then I'll come here and I'll use the word stand. Stand, all right? Stand. All right, so this is stand. I will come here and I'll go to font. When I get to font, I'm going to go to, let's use something like maybe Montserrat, but not this one. I want something bold. All right, let's use this one. I'll do it like this. The stand is almost close, very close to each other. So I'm going to come here and increase the spacing to something like this. All right, stand. Okay. Then let's do for tall. All right. Tall. All right. My name is Ni Yamuda, and I hope you're enjoying this already. So for tall, we can just do it like this. So you come here and do this. Now there is this effect that was used in the, okay, so let's come here. All right, save. So I've saved it, right? Cool. Now I'm going to come over here and bring in the image we want to use. This is the image we'll be using. All right, this is the image we'll be using. Okay, just leave it there like that. Now the original design, look at the original design here. You will see um like a boss being created. So we'll come here like this. Okay, just do it like this. So let's try and pick the color from the original design. So this is the color. So let's pick this color. So let's pick this color. So go to color and select this carton kind of color. All right, then let's darken it a little. Okay. Right, so let's leave it like that. So if you are done with this, all you need to do is to drag it like this and come to perspective here and enable it. So you can now move it the way you want. So I'm moving this one here, I'm moving this one here. So then I'm dragging this one here, I'm dragging this one here, moving this one down 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 I'm moving this one down here. Are you getting it now? So it's something like this, right? But we're still going to increase it like this, bring it here. Then let's rotate it so that the line at the middle is going to be straight. Okay. So if we have something like this, we just need to copy it and then come here and do this. If we do that, this is what we're going to get. This is what we're going to get. So we are now going to trying to rotate it. Trying to rotate it. Let's see. I'm trying to rotate it. Okay, so let's leave that one. Let's just copy this one. All right, sorry. Let's copy this one. All right, then let's come over to perspective again and let's work on it. So we're going to bring this one here. We're going to bring this one here. We're going to write this one here. Write this one here. All right, so we have something like that. Sorry, not this one, this guy. So all we need to do is just to increase it like this. Okay, so we will now move this one. Let's move this one to the top. Then let's move this guy to the top. All right, so something like that. Let's still move it to the top. Okay, so let's leave it there. All right, let's move this one to the top a little, like this. Okay, so if we do that, it means we have something like this. All right, then we can come here, copy this, and bring it to the front, and let's rotate it like this. All right, so if you check the original design, you see that this guy is just basically coming across like this. So let's rotate it like this. All right, and let's push it down a little bit. All right, then we can come over here, we can copy this. All right, do it to like the video, you can copy and then we'll move it here, rotate it like this and fix it there. So check the original design. Where's the guy? Check this original design. You will see that this one is going to be somewhere there, but we're going to rotate it again like this. The angle will be somewhere like this. All right. Okay, so we still need to rotate it. Okay, like that. All right, so we have something like this. Well, how do we create that demarcation so that we can have a line? All right, at the middle, there's some other stuff. So let me show you. Yes, no doubt, the design looks very simple, easy, but then you need to understand that you need to do something about it. So let's come here. Let's change this color to the dark color that we have in the original design. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to select this color, for example. All right, I'm going to bring it towards this part here. Are you seeing that now? So we would copy it. Okay, we'll bring some of them. We'll bring one here. Let me drag this, copy this, and bring it here. All right, so at the base, at the top here, towards the top, so let it look like the shoe is casting a shadow. So we're going to bring it here. But that one is different. So we're going to come here and select it from the original design. So it's a bit darker, all right? But it must blend with the shoe. So if you want it to blend with the shoe, let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. See what I want to do now. I'm going to come here. I'm going to crop it. All right, I'm going to do this. So if I do that, it means I can rotate this and I can bring it there so that it will blend with that guy. Something like that. Are you seeing that now? All right, so there's going to be a demarcation. Don't worry. So this demarcation is going to be this line here. This line here. Okay. Just leave it like that. Then let's bring in the stand. tall. So just do this and copy. After you copy, hide one of it. Then let's work with one of these. So we're going to crop the stand alone first so that it will stand alone indeed. So once you're done, you want to reduce it like this. You want to go to perspective and then you enable perspective. Then you move it like this. You move it like this. You move this like this. Then you drag this like it's going out. Then you drag this up too. So you can increase it and put it there. Still reduce it a little. No, not that. We're talking about the stand. So let's bring it to the front. Right, so from here you can move it. You can move it. You can move it. You can reduce it small again. Bring it again. Okay, reduce again. Bring it again. All right, so at this point, I just need to come over here. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here. I will make the color a little bit off-white, which is it's like gray, something like that. But I'll still increase the brightness a little. So something like that then, though. Are you seeing that now? Then the next thing we want to do is copy this guy. Let's lock this. Let's lock this. Copy this guy and put it here. Okay, so do this, rotate it and bring it here. Then reduce the opacity just a little. All right, then do it to like this video. Then you can also copy and rotate it and bring it here too. All right, so for the other one, you want to come here, you want to bring this one to the top, you want to crop out only the tall. My name is Nii Amuda, and I hope you're enjoying this video. So I'm going to reduce this. For this, I'm going to come over here. So we'll do it the other way around, like sorry, excuse me. So enable this and drag it and drag it and drag this here and drag this here and drag this here. Right, tall. Right, so this is it. This is it. So we just come over here, change the color to that color that looks off-white. Do it to like this video, and then you can share with a friend. You're always free. Right, so remember that demarcation I mentioned. So we're going to come here. We're going to reduce it like this. Then we're going to change the color. So let's change the color. So this color, and let's see, right? It's there, right? Cool, cool, very cool. And then we're going to adjust the image. So this image here, I'm going to adjust it. Just move it a little. Do it to like this video. Make sure you share with a friend. All right. So we're done with the design. So we can bring in something there just to put this bold minimalistic poster. Okay. Like the video, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. So I'm going to put this one here like this. Right. And I'm going to centralize it. And okay, so all right. You can see how easy it is to get this done. When you are done, don't forget to save your design as a project so that you can retrieve it and edit it. Also, make sure you save as an image. My name is Nia Moda, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe, tell where you're watching from.